So today we're going to be making corn nog from The Simpsons.
Well, there's so little left. Creamed eels? Corn nog? Wadded beef?
So we finished our corn nog. We've got it right here. So we're gonna go and give it a try. This smells strongly of corn. It's very sweet. So the corn is definitely odd, but I feel like I could get used to it. As you drink more of it, that corn note gets more mild, so it's just kind of like in the background. It's more just like a sweet, milky drink. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really need to be a thing.